Standing right there. Oh, they gotta be there.
What's up, y'all? We back.
Come on, Kelsey.
We walking in the cold, bro.
It's not even that cold out.
Don't do it. Why you get mad on the camera? We walking to the peach-cobbler place. They want to try peach-cobbler. I don't eat
Oh
that.
my God. What if it ain't open? We don't walk over here for nothing.
Yeah, they trying to see if it's open because ain't nobody at the register. I told Asia to call and tell them that she don't see nobody at the register.
Oh my God, let me stop yelling for somebody homeless come out.
And she talking about some, she don't want to call them and say that. We done walked all the way over here, y'all. We done walked over here. And they talking about some, they just wanted to see if it was open because they put ice cream on top of their peach cobbler.
Oh my God, shut up.
Oh my God.
I don't even
eat that. Oh my God, my crock. It almost broke. All right, y'all. We going to Slim and Husky.
Oh, now you want to be back in with us.
All right. All right, y'all. We ordering those stuff. What they got?
They got wings.
Oh, they got wings? Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm finna order. I don't get nothing extra. I just get regular pepperoni pizza, but I love that pepperoni pizza because they got that thin crust. I'm gonna show y'all how it look on the camera, but it looks so good. But let me see. I'm looking at the screen right now. I'm about to flip it so we can do it together. Hold on. All right, y'all. I feel like I'm being played with. Okay, I just want this pepperoni, no extra pizza time. Oh, no. Okay, thank you. Look, my boy. Yeah. Here we go.
That shit gonna be nasty.
Now I'm gonna get me a phone drink.
Okay.
No,
It's always nasty.
No, I got Sprite last time and stuff. Yeah.
We don't have Sprite over there.
No, I got me a drink, a regular
Okay.
drink. It was good.
Okay.
Their music selection. Yeah, get your shit. Yeah, hey, get your shit. Yeah, hey. You was already eating it. She get down. She was already eating it. She don't play.
Oh, you didn't tell me I was supposed to.
This mine, y'all. Regular pepperoni pizza. Let me see your pizza. Oh, look at your shit. Look, y'all, they gave us a cinnamon roll. That was so nice.
What I tell you, bro?
Yeah, that was so cute. Yes, bitches, I got it. Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please. They were all cute, y'all. Look, y'all, let me show y'all that menu.
I'm sure you can take it. That's what I told you,
That one, that picture by the cookie.
I mean, like birthday cake.
Good, I need it. We're gonna try to see if we can sign the wall. Right here.
This spot I see.
There we go. My name on it.
She still didn't do the spot on it.
You gotta write a couple times, my boy. Okay, Kels. Big K. Hey, y'all, we had to come by the wall.
What?
Yeah, y'all gotta get in the middle. Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. It's a video.
That's why you ugly.
All right, y'all. We welcome back to the car. This motherfucker took off. We could have got robbed up in there. No, it's not cold. What the fuck?
But when you be in the front, it's okay.
Yeah, because I was trying to get to the destination. We was going to our first destination.
Right now,
No, I'm walking regular. Thank you. Y'all see the drip? Y'all see me. I'm walking regular.
walk that fast.
I'm walking regular, y'all. Y'all tell me in the comments if I'm walking regular.
Come on, I'm walking regular.
I'm back here with the food. Boom.
Oh, scary. No, you're fucking that bitch.
Nah, I gotta be a bitch.
Did he just throw my shit up in there? I just got cinnamon on top.
And I said the one with the Hershey's and shit on it.
Is that not what he gave you?
No. Ain't no Hershey's on here.
Yes, it is. What you talking about?
No, ain't no Hershey's on here. The other one, the one that had the Hershey's, the actual
He may have ran out. He ain't had that shit.
He ran out and he just drizzled.
That's chocolate chip though.
Yeah, but he just drizzled all this shit on here.
I think they usually do put the drizzle on there.
I just wanted the chocolate on the top too.
Yes.
Let's rate it and try it.
Okay. You ready to kiss it? She said, there you go, bro.
But that was the end of the video, guys. We really didn't do much, you know. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.